Where Brandy there?
I don't know.
I mean, you don't know. Are you responsible for Brandy, you know? I left her in a year and...
I walk.
Top in it, boy. I want to a general girl. I want to test that girl again, boy. Just stay far. You know.
General girl?
What you mean? You will know.
Reggae vibe, keeping the music alive. Make your reservation for that special vacation. Can't wait to get me visa, feel like an OG. Sentence, pretty sexy girl approach me. Portland, Port Maria, Santa Maria, Mary. The prettiest beaches, so make we share it. That's why me say, Princess Anova, can I come over? Make we go check Lucy. Beautiful Trilani, leads to my bed. And if you want a special holiday, welcome to Jamaica. Okay, when the people them party every day, listen reggae music I play. Welcome to Jamaica. Okay, we so gonna fearing. That's why we always pray. Mighty and lead the way. If you proud to be a Jamaican, then let me see on the wave hand. If you proud to be a Jamaican, then dance 'cause we proud and we have. We government is not the best, but them a try. Be what you wanna be, the limit is the sky. Come in and go live abroad, not tell no lie. Go tour and go make your money, things that you buy. Drink me coconut water and sip me coconut rum. Tell them no when it's sweeter than boya. You know see the shot at them a put down the gun. Tell the tourists welcome to Jamaica. Okay, where the people them party every day. Listen reggae music I play.
Dada,
Yo,
cause the on the phone, you know.
how you say? What go on, cuz?
Yeah, I've been trying to link you for the past couple of days now. Things are not going good up here.
Hey,
My brother's fallen into some kind of depression to a point where it's like his head
Who
is
asked him?
his head is mashed up. The same girl that he brought to Jamaica the time,
Yeah, man, I see
did
him
he
girl
not
them,
catch
man.
his same girl cheating on him? And he's not handling it good.
lie you tell. What you say to me? No, what you say to me?
I've tried everything and I'm thinking now just book a flight, send him back to Jamaica.
Tell the man to forward to Jamaica, man. Busy and everything, but don't know, you know, family are stick together, don't. Tell the man to forward, man.
Just show him a different vibes, a different scene. Just show him something different. We just gotta help him get his mind off of this. I know you're busy with the music. I'm watching you. I know. I know you're big over there with the music right now, but honestly, family has to stick together and we have to do something to help him.
Tell him to forward. Alright. Later.
You good?
You want me alright,
Yes,
man.
I'm seeing. Just there looking for gambling still.
So daddy, you have money? Alright then, I'm gonna make a link to you then. Here. Better. You know, say me I want a link for you. Right now, I want gambling bit right now. Right now, I like your money live and direct, you know. Right now, big money gambling right now. Right now, I call link you in the place. Alright, I say 40, I call link you right now. For them just make a link a while ago, you know. You understand? I'm generous and ready.
When there?
And you done pan road on this.
Let's go.
Let's go, bro.
Welcome to Jamaica. Okay, people them party every day.
So better. What about my father? You're forward now. I'm saying they are going to use me. You know, the same betting thing I made that talk about on the phone a while ago. So see, Jenna, you said to you know.
Yeah, man, I want a table for you, you know.
You know, if I say general, you are the boss, and you know everything going on.
I will come back later, man. Don't think, you understand. Yeah, man, everything good, man.
Alright. Let me tell you something now. Sprint where I play. When I use the whole of your force to start them. 2 you use.
I got 2 here.
Any man first go in, them win.
Say another one.
Put on the first 100,000.
Yeah, man, respect.
I say it come on.
Say a word.
Yo, guys will come on.
You know I go to boss, you have to catch my life.
What's something?
Alright, there.
Alright, so babes, look like your hair soon done, man.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so yo, how much is it for the year, man?
You know, see, 8,000 and me a charge you for do I here.
8,000, right?
Mm-hmm. Thank you very much.
I go down to town and do some business. So as soon as I finish here, just meet me downtown. We grab some gears, alright?
Alright.
Alright, yeah, man, so we see you a little bit, alright?
Alright.
Well, man, you know, say me have a plan. See? More you go out in a garrison, I get up, see if you find somebody. Somebody you know them look shabby and not no money. Bring him come. You see me?
Somebody poor.
Yeah, man, bring him come, man. You ever eat a food, man, there. Just do it and forward. Yeah.
Coconut water and sip me coconut rum. Tell them no when you're sweeter than boya. Do not sit me shot at them, I put down the gun. Tell the tourists welcome to
Bet young, go on.
Yeah, man.
There, man. So everything.
I know, say, a brown man is sent on a mission, go get my youth.
What going on, my son? You remember your cousin where Dick send the money go give?
Mm-hmm.
Right. Well, he called me not too long, you know, and say he put the money for something. And he make a money. Say, I'm going to send you something out of it. And you can go down and go spend me and go collect it. But see if you can beat the rain, can see rain at home. And may God guide and protect you on your way and be careful. God, I'm asking you to guide and protect him, dear Father. This I ask in your name. Amen. So,
Alright.
listen.
Alright, man, thanks.
Alright.
Hello? Yeah, babes? Oh, yeah, man, I'm there. You what happened? You want to know, say, the little money when I did send go give my cousin foreign. He put it on sitting and it look like he make up some money out of it, man. So, you what? He just send me some info for collect some money at Western Union.
Boy, you have to put on a piece of the money there, please, so we can do something meaningful with your life.
No, man, you not for yourself. This a little piece of money away when he said no. Me nah go take you and do nothing with him, man. Me nah go waste it. Come here. Yeah, I understand what you say. I know, man. We have plans, sorry, so we just all just secure it and make sure so we just take you and do what we are doing.
Please, no go gamble out none of the money, please. This, we get a start for our life right now. So just listen to me now and hold on for the money, please.
Yeah, man, you're not for your head, man. Me nah go take you and gamble it.
Alright, first you say, I go by bar, go have a drink. You go join me later?
Yeah, man. Do your thing, man. I'm soon forward and calling you.
Alright.
Let's say him this.
Yeah, man, I'm one of you to suffer in our village.
See, that's it.
Alright, dead be hungry.
Sorry, man, you see. So you say you what? You can't tell lie.
What kind of lie?
Because this is one serious something, you know. Money we are looking. Hold on there. You have something for you.
Come on, I'm look all though.
Yeah, man. Put on this, you see. Anytime people see you, people let me know you, the man knows say something go on. Because you know say you don't look too trash out, you see me? I know say something going on in your life, some changes, you see me? So until I'm asking a question, just make them know say I'm me a gamble fan and win. Right on the gambling. I could have sent me soldier them, you know. But them done mark them face already. You knew, you see me? Just go out there, go deal with it, man, and forward. Every people where you get, me give a percentage out of it. Change off the clothes them around this. So. Alright. Money we are going to make you know, you know. More money per money, you see?
That we say, more money.
Yeah, man. So if you look, man, what are they do? Come on, when you go out as a reach out there, daddy, you grab a food, you know, then. Yeah, man, put on there, man. A brand new sitting there, you know. See?
Look like a chopper.
Yeah, man, I saw you have to look. That means your thing change up.
Yeah, man, look like a chopper.
Alright, man, I gotta do it now, you know.
Yeah, man, do it, man.
Do the right thing.
Yo, cuz, come here, man. Come give me a thing now, what time money where you get. Don't tell me fishy, what you tell me fishy for? Your next cousin with the overseas tell me say, you get some money and you hide it from me and some you come down like you don't give me none.
Yo, Candy.
Fam,
Yo, that's bill no man.
just give me a thing, how come I make your cousin over foreign tell me say you get money and you hide it from me? Deal with me, see, everything good.
Yo, you don't have to make it bad, Candy. Bill no man, chuck.
Then give me a thing now.
Hold on for this, man.
I say deal with me.
We make no time, so anytime you see nobody get money, we make the world know.
Everything good, man.
Bill, man, yo.
I disagree, me.
Just keep your mouth quiet, man. Chuck.
Alright, what you say? Put it on my team for race.
Yo,
Wagwan.
there, man.
Lep on the front.
Yeah, man.
You know, say me send one youth out there. Me one black shirt and one blue pants. Send him on a mission star, you see me? I mean, I hear nothing back from him for morning. No. Look out there, Fessy.
You know, so I see him down your road, I didn't hear, though.
Give him the phone, let me talk to him. Alright.
Bet you want to talk to you.
Yo.
Yo, Wagwan.
Yeah, man, I hear me, I get shot.
For morning.
Me can't walk, me can't up on the road and not clean my bag.
Yo. Now waste time, you know. Better me send me dog them come on the cook. Mash your bed. Bet yo. You want bet?
Yo, hold it. I have to do me here one next time. Here. Yo, my boss. Yo. Where you at? Me see you I talk to you just a while then. Me see you as a respectable man, you know. But me I tell you say, yo, me have a game, but me know you're that interested. Come see you love money, you know, you have a lot of girls. But you are going on. I'm betting game. But I let me rich. You see me? You just take it one chance, use $100 and I'm tell you make a bet. I tell you from make that bet there with him. Like, man, he love betting enough, right? Him live from a little boy, he love bet. But now he just a lose and enough money and big money betting. So I tell you, you can check him out, man. So which part me can find that person? Alright. You have a good right down go on the road there, so one blue and white house, unfinished house. In name bet you. Just ask to bet you. Anybody, just tell me say I'm missing him. Tell me say I'm missing him. Bet you any name. Alright. You can't lose off of it.
Bet yo.
You just find somebody, you know, I send him come around there right now.
Yeah, man, send him come, man.
Alright, you have a piece of food for you. Make sure so me get from him and just get some money from him. Alright, yeah. Yo, what going on? I wanna say betting one.
What go on, big man?
Yeah, man, I'm not saying betting go on.
I was saying around us.
You know, say a little juvenile tell me, say, a little betting thing I go on.
Let him try, man. Come in.
Alright. So let's see how go on, General. How the thing go?
Me a general, yeah man, a big money me betting on. Me not nothing under 100,000, you see me?
Alright, let me do it.
Tar man, write something there. $100,000 I betting on. Head out here.
Here. But don't say just take that game, yeah. But I have a next offer for you. So the offer, yeah, that are much more valuable to you than the money where you just win. I have a nice female. I'm a woman still, but don't know anything said. You have a like her.
So what? You want to bet a girl?
Yeah, man, I chat some man. Enough picture, man. So,
Oh, yeah man, skin smooth and she look good. Cause I don't know my thing come down, you know. No umpy girl, you know. Alright, ready?
I'm boss. So we not take all, right?
Yeah, man. That's so more than a day in a general.
I hit that in a dance. So where girl there? Where this nice girl there?
You know, say she there. Out of one bar, with a Suzette bar or something.
Bro man, tag man. Just go pick her out. When the foul, you make one get a thing.
Try again, man. One bartender. I'll get a whole job and food.
Sorry.
Alright, well.
Relax, man, because we don't have to broke you up, you know.
Broke me up for what? I wanna come grab haul me up for. What is for?
Lord, talk to them, man. You have to broke you up, you know.
Alright. Hello? What kind of foolishness that you come tell me? Two men come haul me up in a bar. Oh, really? You gamble and look. Foolishness you tell me right now, no. Yo, hold on upon this. Hold on upon this. Yo, no let me go, you know.
Yo,
calm down,
I broke your pot, yeah.
So, what is? What we not gonna do? What we not gonna do? What we are doing, so?
Big fat Benz me drive out, yeah. Party like one me find out. About 1,000 bikes I ride out all day.
What go on, cuz?
Yeah. Oh, it's 3 o'clock. I be in that, man. Everything alright. Man, full joy himself, man. See how work. Alright, big up. Yo, great one.
Yeah, for real, Dada. Where's that going now?
You know, so my cousin I drop in by 3 p.m.
Yeah, man, we can't myself a be every man.
Show him the island, now make him have a good time, kind of depressed down. Yeah, man, all over the place, man. Money in the car, man. If you want a woman, give him a man.
And that's alright, artist. Yeah, man, yeah. When you reach everything, me shout you and make you know what go on. Well, yeah, me do that, man. That's simple mathematics, man.
Yo, Jenna, you know, I'm just get a call from the phone a while ago. Yeah. See some story right there, see. Come like I don't know I'm got to him.
How the morning?
Right now, man, see that right now.
Alright, I'm gonna come with you. So I'm going.
Reggae vibe, keeping the music alive. Make your reservation for that special vacation. Can't wait to get me visa, feel like an OG. Sentence, pretty sexy girl approach me. Portland, Port Maria, St. Thomas and Mary. The prettiest beaches, so make we share it. That's why me say, Princess Anova, can I come over? Make we go check Lucy. Beautiful Trilani, leads to my bed. And if you want a special holiday, welcome to Jamaica. When the people them party every day, listen reggae music I play. Welcome to Jamaica. We so gone fearing, that's why we always a pray. Almighty I lead the way. If you proud to be a Jamaican, then let me see on the wave hand. If you proud to be a Jamaican, then dance 'cause we proud of we
Yeah, bossy.
Amber, what go on? Which way are they?
They're up on the front, you know.
Alright, forward. Forward, never mission.
Alright. Alright, me a forward.
So girlie, when me just win all in our gambling. Now load the game. So no more I have to do for me now. Put her up on the road, carry her up on the beach. Make some money come in, you see? You know the steps already, fix her up little.
Yeah, man, she want to go fix up, man.
So just deal with it, yeah?
Yeah, man.
So I go and feature that.
Sure, man, you see, John. Last night, you know.
Alright. So, yeah.
Alright, boss.
My girl, where you cry for? This is just not how I see my life going. I don't know how we're reaching this position right now.
My girl, a better life you are going to live in now.
Better life?
Hotel.
I don't even own my life right now.
My girl, no worry about that. You see me, I just look touch up your one, you see me? Come on, man, come on. Better life there, what there, you see me? Better life, better opportunity.
Alright. I'll try to make it work still.
So if one day you come and see her move away like head down like, come here some look room and say look like you go to a bag of things still. So we want to go on with it, General.
Ah, for real. I'm lost right now because you see, my plan was not to live a life without having someone to love. You know? So for me to be in this situation is kind of a rough one, you know what I mean?
What will you go on with the woman still? I'm not too much in this business, but what will you go on?
No, man, you're good, man. You know, me, I'm cool like that. You know what I mean? It's like, she get way. She get way. But better show and steady, because, you know what I mean? I make a thing.
So why? Why things you you make she get way?
Based on the whole vibe, she make her own choices, you know, her fear choice, because I'm not saying perfect, you know what I mean? But at the end of the day, we could have worked out situations better.
So who she give to?
The pool guy, the guy who plays pool, man. Can you imagine?
Yo, that rough, you know. That's a rough situation.
And then the next day, the guy come to the place and, you know, act like all is well. Thank God for...
You're not buying no drinks and no store the day before. By the way, yo, me tell you what I think though. It's that Jamaica. Them say a land of food and water, but me say a land of love. So you're at the right place at the right time. Jamaica. So my job is take you on a tour. Make us see woman galore.
That's it.
We are from Nigga go passport more.
So interesting.
Yes,
Sure.
So we go there now. We go on a beach party so we find out go feel it. Just to start after the whole tradition. Make us see what I want.
America has set away with
yeah, man. Yeah. But let me say, I'm going to tell you one thing. This will happen to man, happen to men. So anything I go through, people go through that all the while. So I'm not big, but you see it, you know it. So now we have to move on. Yeah, man. But what I say now, it's the next time, get a pool girl. No man to you. If I was going to cut the grass, make a girl cut the grass. So if I catch a girl there, you know that I walk 3 up.
That's it.
Alright, so anyway, enough of that there now. Go touch your water so you can do it. Right now.
Big fat Benz me drive out, yeah. Party like one me find out. About 1,000 bike I ride out all day. Yeah, party all night, yeah. People feeling alright. Girls them dancing till the morning light. Yeah. People from near and far come and party with the star. And if you step on me to me now, work on the house, me put the bar. Really big man stepping on the house, every liquor must go, every cup, every jug, every jar. A feel full to the brim, select a play tune, pan rhythm. The people them a dance and sing.
It's like them down there, the table after the rest them on a trample serpent, and then you go run. In a eating up and the rest them on a trot. Some say them big and them out and back, and you forget the way, and direction. Them a carrying lion.
We love the girls, them. We not desert them, not go hurt them. Fuck girl and see musky strength we work them. Yeah. We can't go without girls, see a month, but bad man nah kill a girl over front. So you is a girl, is but you is a punk girl. Give when the loving and him a full of rubber tongue. Me can't go without girls for a week, but rude boy nah kill no girl we cheat.
Rasta, you know something like you though.
I like you more, you know, daughter. I tell her.
But you know I have my boss.
What do you mean by that?
You know, my loyalty is to my boss.
Oh, like I work, you work?
No.
What you do? Alright, but anyway, we're not worried about that though. So, Bow, there's some bridging over there, so I talk to your friend. It's like him just come from friend, I go to some heartbreak thing. So right now, my job is to ensure him have a good time while in there Jamaica.
It's a long time I feel away.
Oh
do you feel?
I feel real good, believe me. Yeah,
Same as I feel. It's different.
yeah, exactly.
Long time I find a man who make me feel so maybe we can continue this.
Okay, you really talking to you though. Yeah, but we don't say yeah, me I said though.
Yeah.
So much it go cost, bro. Whatever the case may be. Well, that's some reasonable enough, but even now, go there for a cassette day and a half. So we don't want to stay overnight in your friend. And even tomorrow, because we are planning to we don't want to go on river. So we go on river for that. Everything good, man. So that's not so bad, we can deal.
Yeah.
So can we go to the hotel room now and chill out.
But you know, I want to talk to my friend first.
Of course, up to you, because more you're contented.
Would
If you
I like?
feel that way there, for sure, because they've been that road there before, you know. So make sure so.
Down there. Yeah, down
You
in
know
there.
where, right?
I would like that.
Listen reggae music.
You don't want to talk to you, now come here.
So I want Miss Amber, me do something wrong?
No, I don't do nothing wrong, Gully. Listen, I can only say, isn't me? Some things are going to go on later, we'll sleep out, isn't me?
Sleep out?
Yeah, and tomorrow, we're going to river, isn't me?
Well, me like my own still, but you sure you trust your Rasta?
Don't worry yourself about the eye.
Well, I you me trust still, so may I go with your word. Alright. First we are sleep over, let's do it then.
Alright. Me tell you, girl.
Alright, may I make you proud tonight then?
Alright, goodie.
Alright.
Right, let's start.
So I live some good life tonight.
Girl, me tell you, I'm never tell you a day.
Bad boy. I touch you, you know. Sexy bumper. Last night was a night. I was up on a journey, but if things was different, I think I would have married you, you know.
I done tell you already some my loyalties to my boss. Yeah.
Alright, well, this is what we agree on, right?
Yeah.
And no, I'll give this a stick. So no worry yourself. So. And what we're going to do here now, we'll go to the river, and then we have to go leave and go up on the road, go do a bag of things. Alright? But when we come on that side, we try to find if just in case anything, you know what I mean?
Like one party?
Because anything, just like we do last night, we just free and we just engage in a bag of different things. So get ready because we're up on the road right now.
I'm going to do my makeup right now.
Alright.
What's up, man?
Yeah, man, very live.
What a night.
Yeah, man, the vibe, man, the vibe. But what me I say to you, though, you know, I say I really love the one you have there with you know. But man, the Jamaica woman them beautiful for true, you know. You fall, because if you want me to roll it, I feel some sort of way, but me know reality is, we have to move on, we're taking the island on. This is just the first and few stops. We have enough more things, yo, Jamaica full of woman. Jamaica full of woman.
I heard
it's just
that,
like our country beautiful, that's why the woman them are beautiful and loving. You know what I mean? And them have loving of them. So the connection there still, but right now, we are taking on the road. So after we go river now, we'll therefore jet them off and then we take on the road. We're going to Montego Bay region. We are go Hanover, pass through Hanover. We have do the tour. We have tour the island.
Sound good.
Yeah, man. So by the time you're done, you can pick a choice, and you must find. If you don't find love, you find something. You know what I mean? Anything you find. But let's get on the road, man. You understand what I mean? Yeah, man. Let's get it done. Wait till
Oh. Hey, but guess what? I'm gonna take a little walk. You know.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a walk.
Yeah, my friend. You know what I mean? We're gonna just.
Stop.
Please, you know what I mean?
Do the thing. What you messing now?
Yeah.
We are left. Because the driver again must come pick you up. So do it fast.
Alright, cool.
You know, Jay, really enjoyed myself last night, you know.
For real?
Yeah, really, like, been a while since we feel something so real, you know.
This is so amazing because the same vibe I run through me, you know what I mean? But I really want to express certain things because I'm not really 100, you know what I mean? You give your heart to somebody where you trust and you feel like everything is there and you secure them in every way possible. And you reach home and you see she have sex with the pool guy in your house, on your bed.
Oh, that
you know what I mean?
That is so wrong.
For me, if you go through that, believe me, say, it kind of hard, but I like how I feel.
Boy, I don't mean to come on too strong either, you know, but what I feel, like, nobody who I've been with before never made me feel so safe and secure in a one night. On a lighter note, since we're here, what are the plans for today?
Well, Fire kind of we have this plan where we're gonna, see everything in the whole Jamaica vibe and so forth.
Come, go and get ready. We are going river girl. That's why you have and can't wear. Plus in the sun.
Yeah, me have a white piece, so I go change on that.
She only wife, she and me wife, oh. She a get my wedding ring. Talking about my Western girl. Everything she do's amazing. She give me that comfy love. She give me that country love. I'm talking about my Western girl. She don't know a thing about lazy. I love my country girl. I'm in love with my country girl. She cook and she clean in an instant. She make sure the bill start out. Sometimes I would tell her, say, baby, just easy now. I get breakfast in bed in the morning. That she'd with Erin and the house. The pleasure is mine, cause she's a comedian. She know how to.
Alright, driver, don't come back in.
In a slow motion, full of emotion. She love it, love it. I'm talking about my Western girl. Everything she do's amazing. She give me that comfy love. She give me that country love. I'm talking about my Western girl. She don't know a thing about lazy.
Yo, Jenna, go back up down forward. Go on, go on.
Although we fuss, although we fight, sometimes we quarrel.
I tell you, the vibes feel good with you, Empress. It feel nice, man. I like the vibe, you know?
Oh, look, flying fish.
Yeah, man. You see, I jump away. You know what I mean? Just like how, the vibe is good, man. Trust me.
Same summer for you.
Yo, this is just wonderful to get out of the cold, you know what I mean? Natural river and thing, vibe is righteous,
of course,
you know what I mean?
I must hate the snow there right now.
Yo, trust me, cool,
Yeah, man. I'm there for warm me up now, man. You're not worried about the snow no more. You seem like a decent guy so far, and I'm interested to get to know you more. So, definitely. I've been tricked 1 or 2 times before, I'm not gonna lie. But right now, I feel like I really know one, and that's a good man.
Yeah, man, because you see, the vibe, I love it, you know what I mean? And it take my mind off of certain things. I'm been through a lot, you know. Right now I go through some serious things, you know what I mean? She give you the thing, you know what I mean? And it's rough, you know what I mean, for a guy, you know, so I like the vibe, I'm more to push forward, you know what I mean? But still, only if you're willing, you know what I mean? Yeah.
Well, what I can tell you is this, babe. As long as everything is governed here, me alright, and you alright, you don't have none of that to worry about. My thing is your thing.
Make your reservation for that special vacation. Can't wait to get me visa, feel like an OG. Sentence, pretty sexy girl approach me. Portland, Port Maria, St. Thomas and Mary. The prettiest beaches, so make we share it. That's why me say, Princess Alova, can I come over? Make we go check Lucy. Beautiful Trilani, leads to my bed. And if you want a special holiday, welcome to Jamaica. When the people them party every day, listen reggae music I play. Welcome to Jamaica. We so gone fearing, that's why we always a pray. Mighty and lead the way. If you proud to be a Jamaican.
Amber, last night did nice, you know. Them I feel left way. You feel like mother go with them, you know.
I like you lick your head or something. You want to boss kill we? Matter of fact, kill me.
Can't bother with them lifestyle about no boss, you know, but...
Yo, come on, yeah, man, we have place to go. Remember, say we are going road later, you know. Come go and go wash off, yo.
Well, I hope I enjoy tonight as much as I did last night.
Baby, yeah. Won't you come on home? 'Cause I'm missing you. If I could get the chance again, promise to never ever break your heart, darling. Baby, one more kiss would satisfy. Just know I never meant to hurt you, and I don't wanna live my life without you and me forever. Do you remember when you told me I wanna get back to the way things were before? But never know what you got till it's gone. So when you got something good, better hold on tight. Never know what you got till it's gone. So when you got something good, hold on tight.
Alright, driver.
Thank you.
See, we just said a while ago where you give compliments, take her. Don't you want to get a long drive? Go in that place and book a one room. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And come back.
What's one room?
Yeah, man, because budget stay away. We don't really want exact funds.
Alright. That's fair. Money.
You don't make it nice.
Alright, come on yourself.
General!
Now go on.
See, Taylor.
You take long enough. You want to say we have 4 places going now?
Yo, leave him.
My time now. Yeah, what's our new girl want that day now? What do you think about?
I'm there, bro. There, enjoy, you know?
What different from that? Driver?
Yeah, boss.
Yo, slow down. Stop, man. Stop, man. Stop, baby. Every part should go once if we can get it. Because we are touring once, get a new girl or so. Is it? Oh, Pastor, you know, I don't link up, Pastor. I know my places, you know.
You know what, say? Link up, man. Me a link up, man. Can't get some girl up, man.
We power there now, General.
You know what, say? I make a quarters with the boss.
Make a quarters. Alright. It sound good, man. General, you get up on your phone sometime, man?
Yeah, you know, I'm just connecting, you know what I mean? Nothing too serious, you know, so.
Yeah, man. We'll try to get some new girl now. You know what I mean?
Oh, for real?
Yeah, man.
Right now?
Right now.
Alright.
Driver, okay, I go somewhere.
I'm there. You know what, say? I'm a virgin in my road, and the man they want some woman.
Oh, hi guys. How are you?
And yes, they are good. So make sure you deal with the boss, them, you know.
Perfect. I will.
So.
That's a good thing.
General, you are going. I go down and carry them, so.
Okay.
Take care of them, see?
So I'm Rasta.
Yeah, so you mentioned a bag of things go on.
Yeah.
Like you feel, you know.
That's true.
Like time goes on.
Not knowing.
You mentioned I'm not too like talk and beat one kind of, we rode through the place, we don't really have no time for waits. We are trying to see Jamaica, we want to enjoy the beautiful of Jamaica, you know what I mean? So, I'm general there, I come from overseas, so, the fees I want to you know, so, we get more
I need a friend for him.
Yeah, see, I must have a nice friend.
Of course, I just call Kim. Kim is my right hand and the woman there is Kim. And Kim a nice girl, see.
But I think go on. We're going to make everything worth a while, so there. Are you a bar?
Yes, I work, me I work.
Alright, so you go on now, because we have a drink and thing, but just in case we feel like we're going to pay for it there. If you do double weight for it there, we can maybe lock the bar or something.
No problem.
So call a friend and...
I'm going to call Kim then. Hold on then.
Jay, you're loving a phone, so man. You may say, man.
Yeah.
Jamaica pretend I know when I phone, man. Come on, man. What may I say now? Kim, I'm going to be your girl. I don't know how Kim look when Kim comes to Kim. Alright, so. Yeah, mama, call Kim now. Yo, where are Ginger now?
You know what? Set me something nice, you know what I mean?
Yo, yeah, Magnum.
No, I'm not Magnum.
So you know no Magnum, alright. Just give me one any Kim then. Give me... And then give me one of the bread stripes sitting there for myself. A nice style one them. See though, give me hot. Hot style.
Hot style there. Alright. Here you go.
No pull it.
Okay, no problem.
Alright.
Never can get fair phone it now. What me get? Yeah, girl, what you there? Over there, alright, forward. Just come, we have somebody thing.
How would a girl that? You should step strong.
Yeah, man, she's strong for sure. Yeah. He's a strong.
Strong. What you may say now? Slim or fatty? You have to just deal with them.
So I said, go on. You reach me, I say, take some there. These are the kind of
Jay.
This is the young man. Young man, this is Kim. Introduce yourself, please.
I'm Jay.
Nice to meet you, Jay.
Nice
You look nice though.
Thanks. You know, you look nice yourself, you know what I mean?
Thank you.
Yeah, mama. What go on? Yeah, man. Wait, I say, man. God good, man. Yeah, man. We link up the warrior one. The warrior say them have a blast, you know? All over the globe. Yeah, man. I'm full joy himself, man. I wash no face. Alright, big up.
Yo, it's a good time to be live here in Jamaica, you know. Because back in the days, this was a land full of slaves. Though it's similar night though, but what can we say? There's a lot of things that let's see next time though. But let's just have some fun still.
The vibes is nice, you know what I mean? The water, the river, lady. You know what I mean? Good feeling, you know?
I got bathroom. Soon come.
I want to go and reason I got bathroom. I want to pick.
Like over here and we're good and they say they're going to use the bathroom. That's what I'm saying, but you know, let's go see what nature is all about.
No problem.
No problem. Hey, come on, let's go.
Yo, Papa, what go on?
Yeah, what go on Turbulence?
Oh, you and the youth?
Yeah, man, the youth there, man. Him there, boss, happy man. Happy. Yeah. Right now, I'm no party in town. Him there doing girls.
Yeah? Glad to hear that, man. What do you mean? Studio over there, yeah?
Yeah, man, so reach that side there. We have a couple more days and then we reach up there. Or yo, maybe one more day and then reach up that side there. That's cut through. Yeah, man, him good, man. Safe, alright. That's alright, man.
Do your thing, man. Big up. Enjoy Jamaica. Bless.
Oh, here them hell go youth.
Hot.
The eyes are red.
She good, man. She good.
You good?
Yeah, man.
How we do to him?
How we him do to me?
She good, man. She good.
Yeah, so first thing.
Alright, enjoy yourself.
Coconut. You know what I mean? Wow. You want a coconut?
Sure.
No,
Happy good.
Oh, go on. Oh, go on.
Oh, God, what is it?
Yo, nothing much. My girlfriend. Not her. No. You're not saying no. Them they feel a good while now. You have to say nothing like that. So me tell her.
everything go good, man, you know. I'm bridging and I run to the island with him. So surely, yeah, I'm going to link back again. You understand? So anyway, I'll give you money. And he does. Reach me block, call me. Make my friend go somewhere. So you understand? So
No man, Rasta, what going on so? What kind of style thing this?
Come.
No, me not
listen,
sure, me not like this. Because me know my friend feel away.
Ask your friend.
What really going on?
Him said the youth know the girl for about 3 or 4 days and when the girl head crack and doesn't mean them something the girl senile and thing.
Senile.
How do we can care about
Girl,
them?
count your blessings.
What you know we can call her about them, so? Girl can care about them, so? How do we can care about them, so? It's just a silent and care.
Me not like that still. Me feel away.
I feel away too.
Me not gonna make you go home alone. I mess up me and foolishness. Me feel away.
I feel away.
Because all along me over there, so me wonder what really I go on, but me say me have to look. Let's make you understand what really I go. Anyways, me not gonna make you go home. Me go follow you, go ahead, so take a drive.
Alright now. How you know science over there?
Well, Jamie come to so I have to know him there.
But you may say no. Yo, that means every time when you text me, who you text Jay? As she text?
Guilty, bro, guilty.
Anything you want to do? We're done with it. If you know what me I do, let's go get some food. Right now, I'm hungry now. Go get some fish or something. Because I can't understand. Because first thing first, let me tell you what we are doing. Let me tell you what we are doing.
Man, I don't even know, bro, but there's something, man. I don't even know. Let's go eat, bro. Let's go eat. Let's go eat some food.
He wants me here and I'm staying. So
come on,
let's
baby.
go.
Come on, let's go. Yeah, she's here.
I can't do this. Can I style this?
What brand did it?
I don't know.
I mean, you don't know. Are you responsible for Brandy, you know? I left her in a year and say anything I'm to her, they don't know you have to go pay.
Yes, boss. You know, so I think I have an idea when they, you know, say, you go on a mission still, bossy. Foreign boy, you know. Think around there and there, but I go find out. You know, I'm love his social media thing, bossy, so I find out when they send me on your phone.
Make sure, you know.
Yes, boss.
I'm back.
Yes, boss.
All I want me investment, you know.
Yeah, boss, I know that. So.
I know I put my trust in you.
Yeah, boss.
Do the maths.
And I sing this reggae vibe. Happy, say we winning, I know. Yeah. Nazine, happy, say we winning, I know. Hey, yeah, some big ganja split fish shut down eyes. Hennessy pan rocks we provide. We have a style them with your girlfriend like. And I be a fat vehicle, my fam them drive. Put in the work, watch each other a stockpile. Money print in on me jeans, it can't hide. We no believe enough for make it a hype. Now left your team.
Them look good, bro. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I don't know. We don't get an official thing. We'll get some soup. We'll go on into the soup. Right. Don't discuss some fish here, baby.
Alright.
Happy.
Mind I come?
Yes, ma'am.
Want it on a plate?
Alright.
I don't want to ready to eat.
Nice.
Yep.
Yeah. Jamaica. Vibes is very nice, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Day nice and cool, right by the water. Fish nice, but soon cook better food than that for you.
Oh, for real?
Of course.
Oh, you mean?
Of course.
I wish I could take a swim right now, you know what I mean? But it's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Feel like so we soon reach somewhere and get some water.
I came across the island, you know what I mean? So, But I appreciate you left work and come with me still, you know what I mean? If the boss ever come and see you lock up the bar, you know what I mean, and dip on the road out.
I don't like problem that I have to serious in the work, man. We can't do.
But him not there though, man. Everything good. So you enjoy yourself, General?
How you mean, man? I'm there and enjoy myself, you know what I mean?
When I'm done, we have to go top of one place and show off, and then we'll go for one ganja farm.
Yes, sir, you buy fish. 2,000.
Fish for buy now. You know, say somebody may I look for. She called that girl that picture. Let's see her pass through.
No, you know, so I don't see her. No, sir. Yeah, man, respect. I saw them going up. Respect, man. Fish. 2,000. Fish.
Yo, we are driving through the place, you know. And every time, driver say, yo, we want a girl. I say, Daddy, the we arrest. I have to drive down that. So we're going last night now.
Mash up, eh?
My fear sleep, but we have to do driving now.
Yo, chill on it, it's the reach, you know. And now we don't see a sign of them.
I want to most of that girl there, you know. Yo, Daddy, you find there?
Why you don't send me there? St. Mary.
Bumba, you know, so I'm there far from you, General. You know me there? I'm over here Portland here, all vibe, Daddy. You know what I mean?
How you mean? How you mean?
Yo, come give me a link, Daddy.
Alright.
Yo, you reach for us, man.
How you mean?
So we don't have no time to sit down, turn the other cheek. Sometimes you feel like give up, sometimes you feel to kill yourself down, sometimes. Sorry. We don't want nobody can tell me nothing on me yesterday. One party and have fun, pocket fat, fluffy, door. I no care alone for look back. Low stress, I was just a go. 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 Go home, copy it, get fresh, you just get paid. Look how hard you work. Every day, know you get the job. Make we go copy highway. Find some party, make we go copy place. Any day I for chase. The girl you fi brace. Take out the money, nothing free. If that the case. All day upon the slave, and you want to escape. Now you are running bank account, you the money to play. Work pay off. And a good thing you never take a day off. I couple let me fry when me get lay off. Never worry, cause me have a thing saver. So when me have to do work hard, play hard. Nobody reach up on the corner line of straight up. You better get up, go for where you are. Why worry, you not see some money there. So we don't want nobody can tell me nothing on me yesterday. One party and have fun. Pocket fat, fluffy, 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 fluffy door. And no care alone for look back. Low stress, I was just a go. 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 Nobody stress over no pension. One time I never know when me I go get the first cent from. It's a feeling of emotional, physical tension. Just want to know your health strong, that's where you get the strength from. One night's like when you know you never have it, know you have it. Fly out when you want. One night's like when you know you never.
In general, I know say there's a serious man and thing. See proper for them, man. See if you understand me. And the close to the community, so if a virgin want to land, you talk over here, so them a clean up over here, son. Whole place.
Right, yeah, man. The man, when my baby left Jamaica, you know, so he expressed in ideas, say, boy, he love like a cat here and having us, so you know, he appreciate like that. So you could, you know, so we talk to them still, you kind of, you know, look too bad, you come to look safe, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man. Hey, this I get serious, man.
I realize.
Love the vibe, man. You know what I mean?
Never think so one house that is so close in my future. But you will make that possible.
Woo! Yeah, man, definitely. I need that, you know. I need that, you know what I mean?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
Hit
baby.
the jackpot, you know.
The land, man, just find two land, man, to wait you. Man, just go all the reason, I mean, time.
I'm what? Alright, cool. No problem.
There's them to say, go, Jana.
Yeah, man. No, from yeah, they need business, you understand, man?
But you never look so back in the days.
Yeah, man, look so way. All them road there, a little walkway, man, you understand me?
See them there. Oh, yeah, them this.
Yeah, man.
Top in that boy, I want to tell a general girl, I want to tell that girl again, a boy, just stay far.
General girl?
What you mean? You will know.
General girl.
Bet you.
The man said, the girl have a general. You don't understand?
Oh, maybe I man. Let me take me one, you know. Me tell you say we were taking the island. Look like you're born for salt, you know. Or you're salt for born.
Make you left off the road, you know, man.
Come on, because you see this a danger get yourself, you know. Put some kilo them, you can shoot you. Come on, yo, come on, move. Come move, yeah, move.
Well, all this hatred should be over. Oh, the generation getting colder. Oh, keep your brother man a shoulder. Oh, stop the fighting so early in the morning. Stop the fighting so early in the morning. Stop the fighting so early in the morning.
Yo.
Last night I give thanks, you know.
What you mean, man?
And I'm saying, you know.
You mean, man? Good studio vibes, bro, as usual.
Some tough, daddy. Yes, daddy. So I go and cuss?
You know, it's a bittersweet feeling, but, you know, I enjoy myself still, you know. Enjoy myself. I don't know anything.
So everything go well with it?
Well, I enjoy myself. I can't tell you that much, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man,
Enjoy
from Nickel
myself.
Point to Maran Pint. Him get to see the whole island, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man. Enjoy myself to the fullest, you know what I mean? But still heartbroken, you know?
End part, that's one of them things there. You don't know. Page for nothing. Yo,
Thanks for the
money
strength.
don't take
Thanks for the strength.
That's our word.
Protection. Respect in a brother.
That's our word.
Yeah, man, I'm glad to see you though. You know?
What do you mean, man?
That's one of them things still, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You have to give thanks for life, bro.
Hey sis, what's going on, man? Yeah, man. Well, it was a good experience, man. You know what I mean? Yeah, it was a good vibes. Enjoy myself around the place and so forth. But you know, can't believe some find but love again. Yo, man, I tell you, bittersweet though at the end. Cause just as me feel like all is well and you know what I mean, was settle down and thing. Oh man, man. Yeah. So I'm there now, you know. Yeah. So I'm there now is like, I have about 2 more days forward back on my yard because it just not work out the way I plan it. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Yeah, man. What you mean, man? It's a good vibes, you know what I mean? Yeah. So me keep it posted, alright? Cool.
Mama, come on, I want to talk to you. What really are going?
Boy, fire, me even did want you to see me as well, but that's just how things set right now, you know, because me did have an idiot man, and the man a gambler. Always a gamble everything we have. Me put everything me have in this man, and the man gamble me, him bet me and lose me. Now, me I work for man where I sell my body, and then I feel pay man. Right now, me just glad me see you.
But what me I say now, Jay is stressed out. So you did tell him the situation?
No, me did keep it from him because him like me so much. How me fi tell him say this is what me I do? How me fi tell him that? How he would look for me?
You try to tell him the truth though. You know what I mean? Because love no bounds. You know what I mean? Instead of you have the man, a hotel and no mad over your crutches.
But he wouldn't want it again if me did tell him say this me I do fire. You understand?
No, you see, what you do in life is what you do, and what you do. But if somebody fall in love with you, then go fall in love with what them see at the present moment.
Jano, I never experienced nothing like this. All my previous boyfriends, them, Jay treat me the best. Me they just scared. But really and truly, more out of this life.
So how do you get out of the thing?
You see, one thing I know right now, them man don't even like sell anything at all. All them do is gamble. Then we bet any and everything. That's why they even call him bet you. So, you need to come up with something more for you. Bet him.
Well, save him, man. Know yourself. Something go on. You know what I mean? Why thing go down wicked what you know?
Up until this minute, I still can't understand the whole, the whole vibe of what go on. Just grab her so.
I tell you what go on. I do some call around still and figure out the whole situation that will take place still. You see the daughter, boyfriend, make a bet.
Make a bet?
Yeah, with a famous gambler and lose her to the gambler. You know what I mean? So, at the situation, but maybe she not tell you that, you know what I mean? That's the whole principle. You know what I mean? And the man there, not to take money like if you buy her back. But me, it's a game of them play, a good pan them game there. If you can find even 300,000, you know what I mean? I know some could go do a gamble with them. And your money sure because them can't beat me in no game at all.
Money is not issue, brother. You know what I mean?
So I say no, just organize up. 2,000 odd US. I'm just ready to that for you. Yeah, bet you.
Yeah, how old that?
Yeah, for general there.
Inside the cell.
You take me have something gambling right now. Money.
Bet you. Bet you.
Ready.
You know, so a Rasta man come to gamble do.
Brendan.
What was up on the front, you know?
I'm sitting for.
Alright. Yo, General Power in the boat, come in.
What is that?
Boss, you found now.
I'm this. So you say no Rasta man, come for my full time, you know.
Yeah, I'm not come for the long talk, you know, get straight to the point. Turbulence, the artist. We have a cousin arrived in our country, right? We're there on the beach down here. Meet up on some young lady. One of them show me the hundreds that you control. A little short Rasta girl following her here. Turbulence cousin fall in love with her. You know what I mean? So I know the issue about you. And how you do gambling and bet anything.
When I say bet, man, I mean you talk about, man.
Become to bet you a piece of money to the girl. What's that game going on?
So again, I know,
Money
2
for
max
girl.
spring, 2 dice for you.
What's the money right now? 300,000.
You ready?
Ready.
Load bossy.
And there's some girl you have to take, man.
It was a bet. I put money on the line, you put the girl on the line. Just like for the person who bet her first, he put the girl on the line, and you put the money on the line. So who win, take all. How's the betting go? As a bet is a bet.
Yo, give him the girl. You can go.
Go big girl. Go with that.
I don't know what to do, but I can't live without you. And even when you drive me mad, without you I'm so blue. All you do is talk and it irritates me so much.
Wagwan, surprise to the eye.
That's what we have. Sometimes you make me happy, sometimes I'm sad. Crazy love has taken control of my life. And not this a crazy love, this you call crazy love. Like a cigarette. Me know say it will kill me, but me can't stop smoke. So thoughtful and considerate. And next time me feel me would have slit me one throat. And it's all so funny to me. There's no place I'd rather be than in your arms. Safe and warm, safe and warm. In a this a crazy love. That's what we have. Sometimes you make me happy, sometimes I'm sad. Crazy love has taken control of our lives. Crazy love, I just call crazy love. She all up in on my business, tell her if it's unclear, but if she not ask me about my business, make her say she no care. Lord, I swear it is too much to bear, but she am my wildest dream and my worst nightmare. We fight and she say she not come back no more, but as the day pass, I see that at my door with the face of a child of the first day of school, saying that I love you. Crazy love, that's what we have. Sometimes you make me happy, sometimes I'm sad. Crazy love, taking control of our life. Crazy love, how this you call crazy love? I know you love me and I love you too. Reggae vibe, keeping the music alive. Make your reservation for that special vacation. Can't wait to